You took such a beautiful person away. For the rest of my life, I'm gonna hate you.
We go to Charleston, South Carolina for a plea hearing. 27-year-old Jamie Lee Komorowski has been charged with felony DUI causing death, reckless homicide, and felony DUI with great bodily harm. A year and a half earlier, police say Komorowski had been drinking at multiple bars before getting behind the wheel of her car. Then, while driving 65 miles an hour in a 25 zone, Komorowski rear-ended a golf cart carrying 4 people, leaving a wedding reception. The cart was thrown 100 yards from the crash scene, rolling several times. The bride and groom, 34-year-old Samantha Miller and 36-year-old Arik Hutchinson, who'd gotten married just 5 hours earlier, were sitting in the back of the cart and were ejected during the crash. Samantha died at the scene, while Arik suffered a brain injury and several broken bones. Also injured in the crash were Arik's brother-in-law, 46-year-old Benjamin Garrett, and his 17-year-old son, Brogan. Both were treated at a nearby hospital and have recovered. When police arrived at the crash scene, they say Komorowski refused to take a breathalyzer test. But soon after she was taken into custody, a blood test showed her BAC was .261, more than 3 times the legal limit. She was officially charged. Today, Komorowski appears before Judge Deidre Jefferson to enter a guilty plea and hear her sentence. The maximum she could receive is 25 years in prison. But first, several members of the victims' families deliver impact statements to the court, beginning with Samantha's father, Brad Warner.
This person, you took such a beautiful person away. For the rest of my life, I'm gonna hate you. And when I arrive in hell and you come there, I'll open the door for you.
Next is the groom, Arik Hutchinson, who's still recovering from his injuries.
Sam was my wife. I was sitting next to her on the golf cart. I've been thinking about what to say ever since that night. What do you say when your world's shattered? I think about that night every single day, and the last moments I had with Sam on the golf cart. She told me she didn't want the night to end. And I kissed her on the forehead. And then the next thing I remember is waking up in the hospital. I wish more than anything gives me instead of Sam. I wish I died that night, so she didn't have to go alone.
Before imposing sentence, Judge Jefferson gives the defendant a chance to speak.
My name is Jamie Komorowski, and on the night of April 28, 2023, I chose to drink and drive. This is the worst decision I have ever made in my life, and it has affected the lives of so many. I want the last thing that I say to be that from the very bottom of my heart, with every fiber in my being, how sorry I am, and that I take full responsibility for my actions. Please know that I will always be devastated, deeply ashamed, and terribly sorry for what I have done.
When she's finished, the judge imposes the maximum sentence, 25 years in prison. Komorowski must serve a minimum of 15 years before she's eligible for parole.